Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTutorTherapy, back with another video, and today we're going to continue answering your questions that you left in the comments under the other video. So without further ado, let's begin. First question is still by Teacher Ali, or Teacher Ali's my favorite question asker. Now, today she was asking about Teacher Lee's recommendation that we need to put a countdown timer so the students will calm down and will not call IT when they log in early and the teacher is not available yet. She was worried that sometimes when the teachers turn off their webcam in those 3 minutes while the student has logged in but it's not time for the class to start yet, sometimes IT will just come without thinking, without looking. They will just send you an automated message. Please turn on your webcam because the clients are entitled to a full experience. And that includes a webcam and microphone and the entire session time. Now, she was worried that this can be used as a warning, but don't worry, Teacher Ali or everyone, as long as you start the lesson on time, there is no problem. They are not going to send you a warning, even if a client called and complained about you. But if they usually check the recording, if they found that you started exactly on time in session, they are not going to send you any warning. You are not in any kind of trouble, and this message that you receive from IT when they click on the IT button is just an automated message that comes at any time, whether they clicked on it or they called IT at the beginning of the session or in the middle of the session or at the end of the session. You should not worry about that. Just make sure you start the class on time. The second question by Teacher Ali is, how do we continue doing what we do? How do we have the willpower to continue doing what we do with so many things demotivating us and making us feel not so good, especially low ratings and unfair ratings? If one particular student feels that I didn't do a good job in the classroom and he gives me a bad rating, it does take a toll on everything. And we've seen before that one low rating can actually take down your average much stronger than one high rating will take you up. So the thing is, with low ratings, there is nothing we can do. And like I said in many videos before, we cannot appeal them to be removed. The system automatically removes the 10% of low ratings from your money calculations, so it will not affect you financially. However, it will still remain on your feedback average rating page all the time. Now, my advice to you, Ali, just don't think about it. Brush it off. Ignore it. As long as the low ratings are not consistent and they are not so heavy that they're actually costing you your job or may cost you your job, so you shouldn't worry about it. I know every time we receive a low rating, we get one step closer to that dangerous part, but since you're not there yet, just don't think about it and try to move forward. And like we said before, in order to improve our ratings, other than just improving our performance, let's be smart about what and who we teach and when we teach. Like I said before, Ali, and I repeated this many times in many videos, choose the different hours that will give you different types of clients. Like late night China or early morning China will give you adult students, and they are usually much more gentle raters than the children. Okay, another thing, if you feel like you have a good average rating which you want to maintain, try to ask the DT schedulers to teach only demo classes, so you'll just leave that average rating that you have from regular sessions for a while to remain like that until you get through the month or until you get through the week at least. There are many things you can do to improve your average rating other than just trying your best. Also, don't forget to ask your regular students to leave a rating for you. Ask the people who leave good ratings for you to follow you and turn them into regular students. Just there are so many things that you can do to avoid being cornered or on the edge just because of one random bad rating. You can also check my other video about how to get your clients to leave a rating for you and how to become a memorable teacher so they will care enough about you and remember you, because a big part of them not leaving a rating for you is it's not mandatory. Of course, the company cannot force them to rate the teachers, and they don't care. They just don't give a crap about that. So the important thing is for you to make them like you, make them remember you, and care about showing you how much they like you through these ratings. And I will show you in another video. Check the link in the description and here. Another question, surprisingly not by teacher Alice now. And honestly, I don't even remember where I read that question or who asked that question. However, it was about how to fix the problem where I cannot log into my portal. I cannot log into my teacher profile because the consultant website doesn't work. Now, guys, there are 4 consultant websites. Consultant at tutorabc.com, consultant 2 at tutorabc.com, consultant 3, and consultant 4. So just by adding one number, okay, next to the word consultant, you can change the link to another server and you can actually successfully log in from another server. Sometimes they're doing maintenance, sometimes they are fixing some stuff, and not all the servers are. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was just a couple of random questions asked here. I hope the answers to these questions were useful for you guys, and please let me know more and more. If you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments under the video, and I will see you next time. Peace.